Frustration growing about blocked railroad crossings ruining your commute, especially on the city's Near East Side.
And the Indiana Supreme Court now overturning an Indiana state law that allowed police to hold those railroads accountable for blocking the crossings. It's a story our Call 6 team has been following for a better part of this year.
Our Paris Lubell is live this morning breaking down that big question: who is holding these railroad companies accountable? Paris, good morning.
Lauren and Meredith, good morning. The commute can already be frustrating. When you add a stuck train that's here for 10, 20 minutes or even longer, it can be horrible. But those tickets used to be written by local police departments here in the state when they were blocking the crossings for more than 10 minutes. But after that Supreme Court decision, they can't do anything.
This morning, Indiana laws regulating how long rail crossings could be blocked have been overturned. On Monday, the Indiana Supreme Court ruling that the state law that allowed local police to ticket a railroad $500 for each time a crossing was blocked more than 10 minutes wasn't applicable because railroads are regulated by federal laws.
That is the limits of our abilities to go forward on that issue.
It was an issue that plagued many Indiana counties earlier this year, and right in the heart of Indianapolis on the Near East Side. Our Call 6 investigation this spring found more than 20% of the trains blocked the crossings for 10 minutes or longer. But federal law doesn't regulate railroads on how long they can block the crossings. So what can the local governments do?
Zero. And that's pretty sad.
City County Councilor Zach Adamson has been one of the most vocal about the issues with the blocked crossings.
The overall hope that we had would be that there would be a way for the state to protect the interest of the city of Indianapolis and the residents across the state.
Now, for accountability on the federal level, there is the Federal Surface Transportation Board. They are able to investigate claims of railroads blocking the crossings for long periods of time, but it is rare when they actually investigate that. Now, here's the good news on the east side out of all of this. CSX problems have gone down quite a bit since we did our investigation back in May of this year. Now, they did send us a statement in reference to this ruling by the Supreme Court. In that statement, CSX says they strive to be a good neighbor to communities where we operate. Today's ruling does not change our goal of safely and efficiently moving freight to our customers while working to limit the impact of our operations on motorists, pedestrians, and communities. CSX says they have no planned changes to their operations here through Indianapolis. Reporting live this morning, Paris Lubell, RTV6.
Paris, thank you. It is 6:36.